Unbagging?
Unboxing. I mean, unboxing is when I take it out the box.
So what are you ripping out the plastic?
What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. I'm back with another video today, man. But before we get into that, man, shout out to all the new subs, man. I know not the last video, but the video before that, we was talking about, I think, 685 at the time I was recording that video. And now we're at like 730 and counting, man. So we've crossed 700. Now we're walking down 800, man. Shout out to the new subs, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Let's go. I got another sneaker review for you today, man. And you know, this one really takes me back to my daughter was born, you know what I'm saying? Take me back to a simpler time, man. So today's sneaker, man, is one that some people really ain't rocking with like that. I think that it's 2023, and the question has been presented whether this shoe even fits in 2023 with the sneaker climate and just how nobody really likes anything outside of a Jordan 3 or a Jordan 4 or a collab or a hype sneaker. But for me, this sneaker really is near and dear to my heart just because when it actually came out, box right here, man, ain't no need to breaking no cardboard, man, you know, because my last video, man, I was struggling with that cardboard, bruh. And some people think I really be, you know, I don't know, maybe putting on for the camera, but I'm not, I promise you. I walked in my local store and I was able to just grab these jokers right off the shelf. The box reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. The colors are deep burgundy and light graphite. I think I got that right, light graphite. Hey man, y'all see it right here, man. As you can see, this is a size 13. Let's get into that box, bruh. Let's take that receipt out of there, man. Forget about that. You got your standard Jordan 5 paper right there inside the box. And we gonna pull these jokers out. The Air Jordan 5 Burgundy, man. Hey, this shoe kind of clean for real. It's really giving luxury vibes. In my opinion, the Jordan 5, let's just do a full circle on this joker real quick. And like I told y'all, man, I get the fancy table once I get some more subscribers. Now I'm just kidding with y'all, man. But yeah, let's do a full 360 on that so you can see that. Man, take a look at that suede, man. Looks real smooth, real cool. As you can see on the back, man, we got the nice little symbol right there on the back. You know what that is, man. Turn it to the side. And then the front, see you got those gray laces in there. And then the sole, as always, man, on most Jordan 5. And let's take a look at both of them together, man. As you can see, again, the Air Jordan 5 Burgundy is a shoe that most people who are about my age or older, and let's just be clear, like I say, man, I'm an 80s baby born in 1985 and proud of it. This shoe was originally released in 2006. And for most people that are my age, they remember when this joker dropped. It was one of the best drops of the year at that time. I remember my homie, I actually didn't get these when they originally came out, but my homeboy, man, shout out to T-Time82, he had these jokers. And I just remember, man, just marveling over these Air Jordan 5s that he had back in the day. And I didn't know that it would be this long before they released them again. But it all makes sense to me now, and I'm gonna tell you why. All right, I'm gonna sit this shoe down real quick, and I'm gonna tell you why I think that the Air Jordan 5 is just, it doesn't really fit in 2023 right now. Because the reality is, man, no matter what comes out, it could be a Raging Bull, it could be an OG colorway on the 5. People just don't rock with 5s. And I think the only reason that somebody would go and pick these up is because maybe it's for a kid or a girl. I was told today in the store by a female that works at the shoe store that I went to that, man, these will really look dope on a little kid, or these will really look dope on somebody with small feet. And you know, it led me to believe that just people really just don't rock with any Jordan outside of a 3 or a 4 or a collab. This is a dope shoe. And you know, it's just one of those shoes that I really think that it can be styled in so many different ways as a Jordan 5. It's not a trash shoe. They've done the Jordan 5 very, very bad over the years. Like, we've had some really, really bad colorways on the Jordan 5, but I will say this, with the exception being, you know, the Off-White collab with the Air Jordan 5, I believe, and you can take this statement for what it is, this may be the best Air Jordan 5 colorway that I've seen in a long time, with the exception being the Off-White collab. You know, it takes me back to a simpler time, man, where, you know, rent was $500 and, you know, gas was, it was probably like $2 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Something like that, right, man? No? Gas wasn't $2? Lower than $2, man. We was really living in 2006, man. So if you had to be there to understand, you get what I'm saying? But 2006, that's when these were originally released. So we literally have waited almost 20 years for this shoe, which is crazy. Almost 20 years. And ain't nobody showing no love to the Air Jordan 5 Burgundy. All right, man. So let's get into styling with this shoe. I think the Air Jordan 5 is one that you can definitely wear with jeans, man. And I'm gonna be honest, some skinny jeans would probably work out best with the Air Jordan 5. It is a bulkier shoe. Of course, it's a high cut shoe. So a lot of people would say, well, I'm gonna tell you that I don't know if I would like to wear this shoe with shorts. I would prefer to wear it with jeans, joggers, things of that nature. Definitely flare leg pants. You got a bunch of different options when it comes to pants, but skinny jeans for sure. You could really, really kill the game with these. The burgundy, right? A lot of people are gonna say, man, it's an all burgundy shoe. What can I do with all burgundy, man? You gotta look at the other aspects of this sneaker, man. You got the gray laces in here. You got the gray laces. You can really play on that. You can play on the colors right here on the sole. You know, very, very simple, but you got a little bit of gray here, a little bit of gray here. You can play on that, man. You can play on that for sure. But all in all, you don't have to be matchy-matchy with this shoe as well. I mean, when it comes to fashion, matchy-matchy is really a cop-out in my opinion. It's easy, it doesn't require a lot of thought, but you can take this shoe, you can really make it stand out and make people respect the Air Jordan 5 Burgundy. A big reason why a lot of people, I feel like, let this shoe sit and why it's still on the Nike sneakers app right now in select sizes is because of the price point. The price point was $225, which a lot of people are saying, it's just weird to me when people say, oh, that Jordan ain't worth $225. Well, the reality is, are any of them worth $225? I mean, some of the materials used to make these shoes are extremely cheap. And so to say one shoe is worth $200 when another one ain't worth $220, like, listen, I think the $225 price point was right on cue for a shoe like this. Like I said, we've waited almost 20 years for it. And Jordan brand, you know, they understand that, you know, there is a demand for this sneaker. Most people that are 30 and up or 35 and up, they're gonna remember this sneaker for what it is, and they're gonna really buy this sneaker and they're gonna appreciate it. They're not gonna care about it being $225. But $225 is the retail price. If you go on the aftermarket, listen, don't even go on the aftermarket. Just get on the sneakers app and go buy this shoe, or do like I did, walk in your local sneaker spot. I went to Hibbett Sports for this one, and I was able to pick it up. They had my size. I had to get a size 13 because I do wear a 12, but I also wear 13 in certain shoes. This Air Jordan 5, it does fit a little bit tight, it's a little bit snug. So I went on and got the 13 for this one. But, you know, I would say try it on if you can to make sure that you know if you need to go up a size or not. We talked pricing, we talked styling, we talked about the history of the shoe and when it was originally released. Now it's time for me to give you guys a rating of the shoe, man. Listen, I'm not even gonna cap on this one. Because this shoe does have some sentimental value for me. Y'all ready for this? Y'all can say what y'all want in the comment section. But I'm gonna give this shoe a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10 for the Air Jordan 5 Burgundy, man. Because to me, it's fire. I actually love it, and it actually holds a special place in my heart, man. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them things where I look back in 2006 and I just really think about the times, you know what I'm saying? I'm a different person now than I was then. But it was the year that my baby girl was born, and me and my homie, man, we was copping a lot of sneakers in those days, and it was a good time, man. You know, so I get an Air Jordan 5 Burgundy, a 9 out of 10. Tell me what you think about it drop it in the comment section below. All right, man, so listen, man, y'all already know what time it is, man. I need y'all to make sure you click the link in the description box and go check out my clothing brand, my luxury streetwear brand, Raw Melon Apparel. Go to rawmelonclothing.com and, man, go pick you up something, man. My new hoodies are up for pre-order right now, man, so you can go and tap in with the website, go copy you a hoodie. I'm talking triple layer cotton, 300 GSM, top notch quality, man. Better than your designers, man. Y'all paying like $800, $900, $1,200 for a hoodie. Just go shop with me, man. Very reasonable price right now, but you won't be disappointed, man. Go to rawmelonclothing.com and go tap in with me today. But you know the saying, man, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.
Like that.